Hello, this is Zach Nault. This is for CIS126 Intro to Python. This is week 4, making a currency converter. I seem to have temporarily hit a snag in my program, so I figured I'd make a Jing and walk you through what I've got. So I used the supplied website, grabbed the conversion rates. I was kind of just starting to throw stuff up there so it's easier, so I'm not flipping back and forth between all the web pages. Kind of organized a little because I hate bouncing around all the time. Making the currency converter itself was fairly straightforward. I looked at a couple of online ones where people ran into problems and saw where they hit errors. Then I found a little video doing one a little differently. But I kind of came up with this format using defining a function, and everything seems to work pretty well. As you can see, it goes through. I decided to go with floats this time for the input because I figured not everyone's going to want to enter just straight dollar values. What if you want to know how to convert like $10.37? So it goes through. It's a bunch of else if statements just to get through all the things. It's a basic input. We'll run through the program in a second. And then my issue kind of comes in on me trying to make it be a continuous looping thing. So we'll just run it real quick. Oh, sorry, I've got a new screen, so I'm getting used to it. That snaps itself to size. So yeah, we'll go through. Say I want to do Canadian dollar, enter your amount in US, and it says the same thing for every selection minus it changes out to what the dollar is, like British pound, yada yada. So let's do $25.65, and then it tells you your conversion rate and then what it would be. I'll probably come back eventually and change this section so it only does 2 decimal places, because not many people would care for it to go beyond that. So this is what I wanted it to do. So, you want to convert another currency, you hit yes, and it restarts. So let's go through again. British pound, $34, my conversion. And then when I go to do another one, it just stops. And I thought that this down here would keep it on loop continuously, but it only seems to work once. And then the exit worked as well. So if we go through really quick, and then would you like to do another currency, and I set it to do anything other than yes, it would exit out. So another currency, no, and it runs out. And then it works, when I run it through command too. But once again, the same thing happens, goes through, yes, I want to do another currency. For $12, another currency, yes, closes out. So I don't know, I'm kind of stumped at the moment. After the video, I'm going to go dig through some reading again, and maybe I need to, I'm not sure why it's not re-looping every time I input yes, but I'll figure it out, and yeah, hopefully you like the converter. I'll send you the code so you can play with it. Have a good one.